Evan is here.
Guys, by the time you're watching this, I actually recorded this the day before when I uploaded the Murder Mystery 2. My person got an update. Wait, Barber update? That sounds so cool. Okay, so there's a lot of new decorations and stuff, and also welcome back to this game. This was my first gaming video, so let's get this going. I'll see you guys then. Okay, we're back. We're so back. Content updates. Yeah, people. Are there any new? Oh, there is. That's sick. Wait, there's also new decorations. Water tower? This was not here before. Oh my gosh. Large tank used to store water for and provide pressure for the surrounding area. That's sick. Last video I was trying to make this an indoor area, so we need to continue making this. Wait, there's a new, oh my gosh. Look at this, there's new things. Cracked lava. Intense glowing floors are, that is sick. Pavement nets. That's sick. Let's go. We're gonna do cracked lava. It looks sick. That looks so cool, bro. Costs $20. That is actually crazy. That's actually crazy expensive. Oh my gosh. How does that look from the inside? How does that look from the inside? Let me out. Guys, it's not letting me out. Okay, finally got it to work. Okay, what's... Does it look... Oh my gosh, that looks sick. Oh my gosh. Okay, we need more lighting. We need lighting. I remember making this. We can also make a library. I think we should make that. We should make a library. I'll be back once I got the library done. Guys, I did some grinding. This is where the library is gonna be once I have enough money. And I built some stuff over here. This is gonna be like a really big cell area. So yeah, a new layout. Okay, guys, I turned on my volume again, and I need to get a prisoner. Okay, no, stop. That was weird. Also, this game is called My Prison. Go play it. Okay. Put you in there. Let's go. Get you out of here. Wee. Okay, there we go. I'll be back once I have 4. Car chase! We are doing the car chase. I don't even care. We have to. Come on. Guys, I'll be back in just a sec. Guys, I've been doing this for a while and I only got that much done. Oh my gosh. gonna stop. You can get wanted out of this. I'm taking a shortcut. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. I'm back on your streak. You're almost done, you're almost done. Come on. Get out. Get out of the town, man. Come on. It's night. This guy has deliverers. That is actually impressive. Come on. Oh, I'm losing his track. I'm losing his track. I'm losing his freaking track. Oh. I'm family friendly. I cannot say that, but come on, bro. We're going this way. We're going this way. Bro, I'm gonna sue you, like me. You know what? I need a break. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wait for on the loop again. So in the meantime, I'm gonna wait over here. I'm laying down right next to my favorite dog. You are truly so beautiful, puppy. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're cuddling with me. I'm on my couch right now. I have $200. I could buy library stuff for that. Okay, where's this car? I think I saw him. We need to get into position. I see a helicopter. Where is he? We got him. Get out of here, Terry. He's going around, I'm going around too. In the opposite direction. That's faster than your way, Timmy. Timmy the driver. Get it? I need to get in your car position. He's done. I'm gonna take a shortcut, screw it. Wait, this might have been the worst shortcut I've ever took in this video. Darn it. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Darn it. No. I'm hiding here until he comes back again. It's gonna take forever. That guy doesn't look insane though. Oh my gosh. Ooh. You look good, mate. You look good, mate. Car chase doesn't work out, I guess. Puppy's sleeping. Puppy laying down. Puppy being a cutie. Dad. Puppy's being cute. Pumpkin is. Puppy, I want to cuddle with you so bad, but I'm literally on the case of a car chase, and I think the car is on the side about right now. I need to get my go. Just go. We need the false lead. Come on. Let's go. He's in. He's done! Yes. We did it. And we got money for it. We're gonna come back for the honor prisoner. Oh wait, no, I have no beds. Darn it. We got money for it. That's insane though. Guys, that was actually insane. Guys, I wish I can get the honor prisoners, but I couldn't. Hey, car chases happen a lot in this game, so hopefully we can get another one. Okay, this is really good. And he's wanted, which means he's gonna make more money. Where's bars? There we go. There we go. Now we need bar. It was the tiles floor. But you know what? This time I'm gonna do granite. Wait, no, that's more expensive. Path textures. Ooh, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. And we ran out of money again. Okay, let's buy the most amount of beds we can. Each cell has a toilet. 2 bunk beds equals 2 toilets, so that's good to know. Also, there are no walls. That is actually insane. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this. Not only because they are cheap, but also because they save a lot of money, so. We're gonna delete that and then put this there. Toilets. Guys, I cut the video because I ran out of storage, so I analyzed it. But now we have 4 prisoners, and we're gonna continue from where we started off. So, like I was doing, we already have all the toilets now. What else do they need? Toilet sinks, just in case. Margie, you know what? I'm gonna put these couches there. Yeah, this is fun. Come on. Well, guys, I think this looks good. We have all this, which just looks nice. I know this is grass, so we're gonna fix that. Probably make it like a cobblestone. Oh my gosh. My stupid workers got paid. Oh, come on. One off. My prison is looking good. Boom. Okay. Well, now, not only we need lighting over here, but we need a roof and, like, oh my gosh. The library layout is so sick. I almost forgot about this magma. I almost forgot about that. We need to complete this. And also, real quick, I want to do something before I end this video. That's gonna hold a. We need more tables. There we go. Well, guys, that's gonna be it today. If you enjoyed, smash like. I'm Evan. See you out there in the future.